Adverbs are words that add meaning to verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs in a sentence. We can also call them how, when, and where words. They tell us how an action is done, when it is done, and where it is done. Adverbs of manner tell us how actions are done. For example, happily, loudly, fast. Adverbs of time tell us when actions are done. For example, today, soon, later, early. Adverbs of place tell us where actions are done. For example, outside, inside, up, down. Let's practice. Identify the adverb. The children talked loudly. Option A, children. Option B, talked. Option C, loudly. Option D, none of the above. Identify the adverb. The children are playing outside. Option A, children. Option B, playing. Option C, outside. Option D, are. Identify the adverb. There was snow everywhere. Option A, there. Option B, was. Option C, snow. Option D, everywhere. Identify the adverb. The bird is flying swiftly. Option A, the. Option B, bird. Option C, swiftly. Option D, flying. Identify the adverb. The tiger roars fiercely. Option A, fiercely. Option B, the. Option C, tiger. Option D, roar. Identify the adverb. Soon it started to rain. Option A, it. Option B, soon. Option C, started. Option D, rain. Identify the adverb. The old woman shouted angrily. Option A, woman. Option B, shouted. Option C, angrily. Option D, old. Identify the adverb. We heard a lot of noise from outside. Option A, we. Option B, heard. Option C, loud of noise. Option D, outside. Identify the adverb. It felt warm and cozy inside. Option A, warm. Option B, felt. Option C, inside. Option D, cozy. Identify the adverb. The tired dog was lying lazily. Option A, tired. Option B, dog. Option C, lying. Option D, lazily. Identify the adverb. The rash driver was driving carelessly. Option A, rash. Option B, carelessly. Option C, driver. Option D, driving. Identify the adverb. I ate my food quickly and ran out. Option A, ate. Option B, food. Option C, quickly. Option D, ran out. Identify the adverb. My best friend sits beside me. Option A, best friend. Option B, sits. Option C, beside. Option D, me. Identify the adverb. The school bell rang loudly. Option A, school. Option B, loudly. Option C, bell. Option D, rang. Identify the adverb. It began to rain suddenly. Option A, suddenly. Option B, rain. Option C, began. Option D, it. Identify the adverb. The little girl is dancing very gracefully. Option A, dancing. Option B, gracefully. Option C, little. Option D, girl. Identify the adverb. The dog barks loudly at night. Option A, dog. Option B, barks. Option C, loudly. Option D, night. Identify the adverb. Ria types quickly to complete her work on time. Option A, Ria. Option B, types. Option C, quickly. Option D, work. Identify the adverb. I did not go to school yesterday as I was unwell. Option A school, option B yesterday, option C unwell, option D go. Identify the adverb. Sneha recited the poem loudly. Option A Sneha, option B recited, option C poem, option D loudly. Identify the adverb. He looked at her mutely. Option A mutely, option B her, option C looked, option D he. Identify the adverb. The baby slept soundly. Option A the, option B baby, option C slept, option D soundly. Identify the adverb. Rohan always tries his best. Option A Rohan, option B always, option C tries, option D best. Identify the adverb. Surely you are mistaken. Option A surely, option B you, option C are, option D mistaken. Identify the adverb. Your friend messaged again. Option A your, option B friend, option C messaged, option D again. Identify the adverb. I did my homework already. Option A I, option B did, option C homework, option D already. Identify the adverb. I was rather busy. Option A I, option B was, option C rather, option D busy. Identify the adverb. We looked for the lost puppy everywhere. Option A we, option B looked, option C lost puppy, option D everywhere. Identify the adverb. My aunt comes to visit us often. Option A, often. Option B, comes. Option C, visit. Option D, aunt. Identify the adverb. I met a musician once. Option A, I. Option B, met. Option C, musician. Option D, once. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked the video, please share with your friends. Keep studying with us. Keep studying. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Subscribe to our channel.